Life is busy. We rush from work to appointments to social events. But in the background, a constant hum persists, the work of daily life. Dishes pile up, floors gather dust, laundry baskets overflow. These chores, often overlooked, are the invisible gears that keep our homes running. We all know chores are necessary, but have you ever stopped to really them? The endless cycle of cleaning, tidying, and organizing that often falls on one person's shoulders. This invisible labor, done without fanfare or praise, is the backbone of a functioning home. It's easy to take these tasks for granted. We notice when the trash is overflowing, but do we notice the effort it took to empty it the day before? We appreciate a clean kitchen, but do we recognize the silent work that went into making it sparkle? Invisible labor takes a toll. It's not just the physical act of cleaning or organizing, but the emotional weight it carries. The feeling of being unappreciated. The frustration of carrying the mental load of remembering every detail, every chore. Imagine constantly feeling like you're playing catch-up, always one step behind. You're scrubbing the bathroom floor while mentally planning dinner and making a mental note to call the plumber. The to-do list never ends, and yet your efforts seem to go unnoticed. This lack of recognition can breed resentment. It feels unfair that your time, effort, and emotional energy are taken for granted. You start to question why you're the only one who notices the overflowing recycling bin or the dwindling milk supply. Imagine this. You've finally carved out a moment to relax. Maybe you sink into the couch with a book, finally able to exhale after a long day. Suddenly your partner walks in, glances around and remarks, "Oh, the living room is a mess. Haven't you had time to tidy up today?" That single comment, however well-intentioned, feels like a slap in the face. All the invisible labor you've done throughout the day, the laundry folded, the dishes washed, the errands run, disappears. You're left feeling unseen, unappreciated, and frankly angry. This scenario, unfortunately, plays out in households every day. It highlights the disconnect between those who perform invisible labor and those who benefit from it. The person relaxing isn't necessarily being malicious, but their comment reveals a blind spot to the constant hum of work happening around them. So how do we bridge this gap? How do we ensure invisible labor becomes visible, its weight acknowledged and appreciated? It starts with communication. Open, honest conversations about who's doing what, and how those efforts are perceived. Instead of stewing in resentment, voice your needs. Explain how certain comments make you feel. Create a shared to-do list, so the mental load is distributed. When we acknowledge the invisible, we create a fairer, more equitable division of labor. Recognizing invisible labor is about more than just chores. It's about valuing the contributions of everyone in the household. It's about seeing the effort behind the clean floor, the packed lunch, the organized bookshelf. It's about acknowledging that these small, unseen acts of love and care make a home,